Ready to ditch those clunky exchanges and build your very own Ethereum fortress? First, let's create the skeletal structure for our wallet project. We'll need folders to manage keys, transactions, and utilities, along with Python files for core functionalities. Now, the heart of our wallet, address generation. Using a library, we'll generate a secure private key from which we derive our public address, the identifier you'll share for receiving ETH. Let's move on to transaction signing. We'll construct a transaction object, hash the data, and then use our private key to create a digital signature proving you authorized the transfer. Next up, safeguarding our precious keys. Never, ever store your private key in plain text. We will explore encryption techniques, transforming your key into unreadable gibberish only accessible with a strong password. With the core functionalities in place, let's put the building blocks to use. With the UI using a library like Flask, you can create a simple user interface for interacting with your personalized wallet. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps towards complete control over your Ethereum. Now go build something awesome and manage your crypto with confidence.